What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today, we're going to be talking about an update to Samsung's quick share capability on the Galaxy phones that allows you to share things like photos, etc. on your Galaxy device. Pretty substantial update to the quick share app, which gives you new private sharing options and also changes some of the menu layout. Now, the weird thing about this update is it seems to be pretty hard to find it inside the Galaxy store, and there's different version numbers rolling out depending on which device you're using. So we'll get into that in a second. First, I want to thank my son Jonathan for giving us a couple of animals to hang out. We got the grizzly bear over here. We've got the megalodon shark over here. We always appreciate him. Also, if you guys haven't signed up yet for my newsletter, go check it out in the pinned comment description. We do lots of information, news about customization, icon packs, wallpapers, Samsung phones. We also give away some codes for free apps and wallpaper packs on the channel, like the one that I'm using today from my friend 14 Studio, which is 14 Wall is his application. And then during the pre-order period for Samsung devices, we also do mystery boxes where we give away free cases and other free accessories, Google Play credit, Amazon gift cards to those who purchase Samsung devices through our link. So check out the newsletter below and become a part of the community. So let's talk about this quick share update a little bit. Let me actually bring in my other S23 Ultra here. Got two of them, so you guys can kind of see the difference, because the one here on the left does not have the recent update, and the one on the right does. This is my unlocked S23 Ultra that's running the One UI 6.0 beta. I'll also show you guys how this looks on the fold here in a second. So let's go into the gallery really quickly. This is a photo, it's actually a screenshot that I took earlier, and let's just extract in the gallery the photo. So I have a photo for each one, and the update has to do with the quick share functionality, which is when you hit the share button down here, you get the opportunity to get quick share, which is Samsung's own sharing sort of protocol. Nearby share is the Android specific sharing protocol. Quick share is the Samsung specific one. So if you tap this, let's tap it on both sides here, it takes you into the quick share menu. So right away, you can see some pretty significant differences between the two layouts. First of all, you'll notice right here that on the old version, this is the old version here on the left, this version here, you can actually see a photo of the phone that you could share to. That's showing the phone over here, and obviously this one is showing the phone over there. This one does not show you the actual color. It's just got like an amorphous blob that doesn't even show you an S23 Ultra specifically. In the middle, you do have the shared Galaxy to nearby Galaxy devices. The QR location has changed. So here you have share using QR code down here, and over here you've got the QR code. So if you pop this up, then you'll get the QR code there. That's basically what was down there. Now at the bottom, I think they've actually made things a little bit worse, because down here it says share files with contacts even if they're not nearby. So if you tap on this, it's going to let you get a contact from your contact list. I don't want to do it because it's going to expose phone numbers of a bunch of people in my contacts list. But that's what it's going to do. It's bring up your contact list and you can share with those people. Now, the bad thing is you used to have an option over here for copying a link to the file, which you could then share in any conversation or any app or anywhere you want on the internet. And then here you could also share a link using any specific app. So this would allow you to open up any of your messaging apps or social media apps, and then you could take the link and just share it as you want, instead of having to go into a specific contact. So I think they've actually made things a little bit worse. Of course, you could go in, choose a contact, get the link. Once it actually shares it to that person, it'll open up your messages, paste the link. You can then cut the link and then paste it somewhere else. But obviously that's a very convoluted way to go about doing it when you could just copy the link before. So definitely a downgrade in my opinion in a lot of ways. And the other layout changes really aren't for the best. That's my personal opinion. Now up here, you see you've now got this info button that says quick share tips. Make sure the recipient has quick share turned on. That's also missing over there. The little info button is not there. Now, if you go into the settings, you've now got two different kind of changes here. You can turn on private sharing, and over here, we don't have that option. You can see private sharing does not exist here. By the way, this is the version number I'm running there, which is 13.3.13.14. And then over here, you can actually see this is version 13.6.00.8. So that's obviously a newer version. I think the 0.6 is only for things running the One UI 6 beta, but there's also a version for the Fold and One UI 5.1.1 that also has the private sharing. So you can see in here, you know, some of the things are the same. Link sharing history, now obviously the link sharing is going to be a little different. And then down here, you can see you've got privacy sharing history and set expiration. So you can set your expiration down here at the very bottom for how long you want those to expire. Now, once you turn it on, let's go in here and actually turn on private sharing. This will then let you continue. It tells you data protection, time limited sharing, resharing protection. Once you have that, then you'll have the option to go through and actually perform private sharing. So you've got the option to do this and then also limit the expiration and the other things that I've said. And you can go you can see here, Quick Share also runs in the background. So you do want to stop optimizing battery usage in order for it to work. So you can see private sharing, history, and all those sorts of good things. So a couple of key changes here. Some of them that I'm not really a huge fan of, and some of them that I are. You know, some of them are okay, some of the layout changes, but the private sharing is one thing where if you turn it off, then you'll get back to the regular menu. So a couple of new features. Not a huge fan of some of the layout changes, especially removing the copy link, because I use that a lot to share files with Quick Share and share with app. Those are actually probably the ones I use the most. Also, changing the specific smartphone picture up there at the top is kind of a weird decision. I don't really know why they did that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video on the new update to Quick Share. It should be rolling out to various devices. Like I said, it is on the Fold 5 for One UI 5.1.1 and the Flip 5 as well. Check out the newsletter in the pinned comment description. Become a part of the community. Get in on some of those code giveaways for wallpaper packs, icons, and of course the mystery boxes at pre-order time. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.